everyone, welcome to my Nookery. My name's Linda and I have 3 little purchases to share with you today. Today is Wednesday, the 6th of September, guys, 6th of September. Not long now and I go away to Turkey for a long weekend, which I'm dead looking forward to, I can't tell you. We're having a heat wave at the moment here in the UK for a week and a half. So as you can see, I'm a little bit flushed. It's so warm. So I've bought 2 things, and then one of them is my subscription. So from Beehive Yarns, you know, my sock subscription. So I've got that to share with you, and so I'll show you that. So as always, wrapped in some beautiful tissue paper. And let's see, sorry for the crinkle, sorry. And we have got, oh, look at that, sunflowers. They always makes me smile, and it's good vibes. Wherever life plants you, bloom with grace, an old French proverb. So that is and when they send you the cards, the colour of the yarn is goes with this, and my goodness me, Beth has done an amazing job. Look at that. Isn't that just scrumptious fall? These are going to be fall socks. Oh, look at that. That is lovely. So if I get that caked up, I can take part in Kay's spooky. So I'll put the link below. I'll put it the hashtag below. But I know yeah, so Kay from the Crazy Sock Lady has got a fall Halloween sock along, make along, whatever. Anyway, I'll put the link below anyway. So yay! So look at that, guys. That is beautiful. So it is Simple Pleasures Yarn Club, Audrey Classic Sock, 75 superwash merino, 25% nylon, 100 grams, 425 meters and 465 yards. Hand wash recommended and dry flat. But I don't think she could have got a better colour than what she achieved there. Doesn't that look? That just makes me smile. And you know I love my autumnal colours. I really do. So, and I got, oh, lemon and ginger and honey tea. I'll have that this afternoon. And then I'll let it go. In fact, what I'll do is I'll make it and put ice in and make it a nice iced tea. That'd be lovely, won't it? So that is one purchase. The second purchase is from Ducky Darlings. You all know I love Ducky Darlings yarn. I just purchased Ducky Darlings yarn to do Stephen West's mystery knit along for this year. It's the Geo Gradient make along MCAL for 2023. And I bought my yarn from Ducky Darlings. Love Ducky Darlings yarn. And I've also given away for September some Ducky Darlings yarn. So if you've not checked out my September giveaway, check it out. You never know, it could be you. You've got to be in it to win it. So Ducky Darlings, a little bit about their history, where they started, and a lovely autumnal thank you card. And I bought some knitting needle stoppers for June and I, for our June. And let's see what I've got. So I got June loves Disney, so I got her Minnie Mouse stoppers. And then for me, I got gnomes. I could not get the gnomes, guys. You know, my Rick has got over 100 gnomes dotted around his garden. So I thought, so I got them. And I also got a lovely Biscotti biscuit, which is one of my favourite biscuits of all time, and Yorkshire tea. So that's that. But I also bought, I'm not sure, and I bought a skein of yarn. Of course you have to buy yarn from Ducky Darlings. Love their yarn. Oh, and this is another one, Chocoholic sock set. Look at that. So this is another one. Then I need to, what I'm going to need to do is cake these up so I can take them with me to Turkey and knit on the plane, knit in the evening when we go out for a meal and whatever, and during the day. So yay, I'm so excited. Yes, so these will make fabulous socks for me to make while I go on holiday. And then last but not least, I got myself, everybody's been talking about this, and it's a wooden wrist yarn support in blue. And sorry about the crinkle, but I just want to show you. I can't remember where I got it from, but hey ho. I'm not even sure how to undo it. I'll get Rick to do it. So what you do is you put that through there like that. You put this through, this hoop through there, and then you've got this, the wrist. Let me see. I'll show you. You could just do it like that without the hoop, and you just hold it like that and put your yarn in there. But I must admit, I like my wrist bag that are June. But I just wanted to see what it was, what all the fuss was about, guys. You know me. So, yeah. So I'll give it a try. If I don't like it, I can always give it away to someone who I'm sure will get. But you get that as well, and I can't open that. I'm not strong enough. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. Oh, hold on. I've done it. You have to twist it, I think. Do you twist? Anyway, I'm sure Rick will do it for me, but I've been able to get that on there, but really that should be on there. So yeah. Interesting. I just wanted to see what it was about. I don't think it was expensive, but I just wanted to see what it's all about. But I think on hindsight I prefer my oh, I know what you do, yeah. I prefer my, let's see if I can do it. I must admit I prefer my my bag, my wrist, the Maltese wrist sock bag that our June makes and sells. I prefer that you can get a lot more in there. You've got your book, your notions, and you just work on the go. I much prefer this, I think. So yes, so this might be in a giveaway. You never know. So let's see if I can get this on here now. Oh yeah, I've sorted it. Duh. Let me just, please bear with me, guys. Please bear with me. So there we go. That's what it should look like there. And it's got a little sheep and a yarn. So I think it's nice. I mean, it is kind of nice when you've got all the says yarn with socks and mitts and that. So yeah, I'm not sure yet. We'll see. So other than that, that's all I've purchased at the moment. I have had them for a couple of weeks, but I've been so busy and that, and obviously with things going on, and so I hope you've enjoyed today's little podcast. It's just a little, well, it's not a podcast, it's a small yarn haul, isn't it? But thank you ever so much for all your support. Welcome to all my new subscribers. Hello, hello, and welcome, and thank you for being here. Don't forget the thumbs up, guys, and I really enjoy reading your comments. You can also find me on Facebook at the Disley Sisters Creations, and where you can share your work, and you can also share links to videos. If you're going live, you can share the link in there. So that's what my Facebook group is all about, is bringing the community together and sharing all your creations, so we can all have a look and drool over what you create, because we all create different things, don't we? We're not all knitters, we're not all crocheters. Some of us are bi-stitchable, some of us only knit, some of us only crochet, but at the end of the day, we're all part of this amazing fibre community. So I do encourage you to check out my Facebook group, and please, there's you can share whatever, you know, if you've got a video going live, share on in the group. If you've got work that you've finished or works in progress, just share away. Let's keep this community growing with support and love. And on that note, I'm going to love you and leave you. I hope you all is well. Take care, everybody. Stay safe, but more importantly, guys, as I always say, be kind to you. And until the next video, bye for now.